Hey guys, I'd like to bring you our new product, GOOFIT Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum cleaner is widely used in home, car, office cleaning, equipped with a USB charging cable, 3 nozzles to meet different cleaning needs. Clean table, keyboard, sofa cushions, bed and some other places at home. Not only pick up dry particles, pets' hair, but also wet debris. Connect a long nozzle to clean sofa cushions, carpets, and narrow gaps. This brush nozzle is for keyboard cleaning. Pick up photo cones, paper scraps. No matter at home, office, or car, you will always find it easy to clean up with our vacuum cleaner. Small and portable, can be placed everywhere. GOOFIT Vacuum Cleaner, making cleaning and living easier.